Hey everybody, this is an unboxing of my latest Amazon purchase, the Fitbit Ace 2. So this is a Fitbit for my kid. Now I do know the Ace 3 is out, but the Ace 2 is considerably cheaper than the 3, and I really couldn't tell much of a difference as far as what comes on the Ace 2 versus the 3. The 3 does have a better battery life, but I don't see where that's worth spending that much more money for. So as with all my purchases, I bought this with my own money. I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there who's thinking about buying the same item and wants to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in. So let's go ahead and open it. It looks like it opens here at the bottom. Shouldn't be too much to this unboxing video. Here's the watch itself. Pretty cool. I also like the colors better than my kid did on the Ace 2 versus the Ace 3. Nice and light. Pretty neat. You can tell I'm wearing a Garmin, but my kid and my wife like the Fitbit, so that's why they're rolling with Fitbit. I do think Fitbit has a better app, and I think it's a better, it's a more family-friendly device versus Garmin. Just my advice. I love my Garmin though, so don't take that the wrong way. And then the charging cord. And that is it. A couple instruction manuals. Welcome to the Fitbit family. Warranty card. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing of the Fitbit Ace 2. Thanks for watching.